What's up everybody, it's Andy here from CryptoCompare.com bringing you another cryptocurrency video. So in today's video we're going to go over our trades that we've been doing. It'll be a day 7 and 8 because what seems to be happening in a minute, we're getting stuck in trades. We're putting our rebuys back in, they're not triggering and we're getting stuck in a trade all day. So yeah, I have to rethink my strategy, I think. Maybe do a couple of 1% trades as opposed to trying to get these 2 to 3% trades. Yeah, so basically at the end of the last video, if I just bring it up, slide it into there, we were placing an order at 440 Satoshis for 3,227 Beaxy. So we are up from the initial 1,800. Okay, and we placed that on the 7th at 23.14. Okay, now if we come back to this screen here, now we look at the closed orders, that order did trigger and we did get that in as a market maker. It didn't complete until 10 to 12 on the 8th. And then what happened is I didn't, if we look here, let's have a look. Yeah, I was looking for an arbitrage opportunity here. So we had 2,327. If we go over to the USD Beaxy pairing, because we was a market maker again, it rounded us up so we had 3,228. We sold them for just over 5 cents, 0.0535. Okay, that was at nearly 12 o'clock on the 8th. We then went to the USD to BTC pairing. You can see that we bought 0.01 BTC for 11,858.42. We then went back to the Beaxy BTC pairing. We originally put a buy order in here at 432 Satoshis. But that didn't get filled, so that was in there all day for about 8 hours, just didn't hit. It kept going to about 440. 444, obviously we bought in at 440, so we didn't really want to buy in any higher. So we left that in running, didn't work, so we cancelled it. We then looked at putting a buy order in, about 2,100 on the 8th for slightly less at 2,399 Satoshis. Obviously it's a 3% trade, so 1% of 2,300, roughly 23 Beaxy tokens. So we were adding about another 7. We had another 72. So about 3% trade. That went right through the night, didn't get filled. Hit a bit of it at 117 Satoshis at 9 o'clock this morning. So then what I did is I cancelled it because I didn't think we were going to do it. So if we look here, it was these are 5-minute charts. Let's have a look. So it's round about here. So we kind of hit it a bit. It's not, didn't do anything really untoward for us. I then put him back in at 440, thinking, okay, I'll take a loss, obviously because we've got the 117 here. That didn't get filled, and that was at 20 past 6 today. And then we could see that it wasn't really going, if we look at the order history, it wasn't really going lower than the 440 mark. I mean, you can see it drops to 442 briefly. So we got our order filled in here, and you can see obviously it's back now. So yeah, I think we should have stuck here at that trade. But yeah, I think we're looking for these arbitrage opportunities because they are there. There's normally like a 2 or 3% difference on the US and the Beaxy to USD. So if it's here at 0.53 on, sometimes on USD it could be 0.055. Obviously that little trade could be the difference of 30 to 40 Beaxy tokens. But yeah, so what happened is we had the 117 here. So just get my little calculator up. So I managed to, I've not been putting stop losses in at this moment, and I will cover a video on stop losses. I'm trying to be a bit aggressive, and I'm trying to get up to release. We've doubled our money, but yeah, I think we need to be a bit more conservative, because some of these trades, whilst they are here, I can't sit at the computer all day. So I think I need to automate the trades a bit more and put in the stop losses. But yeah, so we bought in here, bought 2,241 at 444. Spread that 2241 plus the 117 that we did actually get to complete, plus 117, and we ended up with 2,358. So yeah, so we are actually up about 1%, 1 and a bit percent. So that should be reflected in here. There you go, 2,358 Beaxy. Like I said, for those who haven't been following this challenge yet and you are new to this series, if you are new to the series, give us a thumbs up on this video. Go back and follow the other videos. We are doing $100 to Lambo or equivalent challenge, 90-day challenge on the new Beaxy exchange. It accepts US citizens. They have a deposit offer running at the moment till the end of October. They have an offer to win a Tesla Model 3 running till the end of October. They have referral offers on to the end of October. We are doing this series to coincide with their marketing campaigns. There is a link in the description for Beaxy below. It does help the channel. We do get a percentage of the transaction fees. It does help keep the channel going. But not only that, you guys, if you use our code, you get a platinum level status for the first 2 months. You're allowed to withdraw 200 Bitcoin a day, and you get 20% discount off all trading fees. So yeah, it is worth having if you've not already signed up to Beaxy. Also, when you complete KYC, they have offers and competitions running along where you get additional Beaxy tokens as well. So what we're going to try and do is turn this 1,800 that we had initially to around about 50,000 Beaxy tokens, and then we'll be locking them up for PLS to give us a passive income. Now I have got separate tokens on here as well, about 4,500, 5,000. I will be buying a lot more towards the end of the month. But yeah, I will keep the trade separate, and for the purposes of these videos, we'll just be going with this 2,358. So yeah, just to keep you updated, I think we need to rethink the strategy. While the arbitrage trading can be there, if you're quick, you can take a scalp. If not, I think we need to be going back to these markets here, because if we look on the 5-minute chart here, at, where are we, 13:40, quarter to, and down here, so say you bought in here, I'd say it's 20 past 5, say we buying in here now, we ride it back up to it's a 6% trade. What's more conservative probably is selling some through this Bollinger, through the middle of the Bollinger Band here, maybe riding up to the top. But yeah, this can go either way. There seems to be some biggest players on Beaxy at the moment. There's a lot of Turkish traders, and there's a few US traders as well. Not many UK traders, which I'm hoping to change that. But you can see that obviously, if you know how to read, candles and you know how to read TradingView Basic, what these guys are doing is you think it's going to go one way, and they're deliberately going to take it the other. And try and manipulate the market and try and force people to sell. But yeah, it is being played at the moment. It's been played between around about the 440 and 500 Satoshi level. You see a bit more consolidation on, there you go, on the USD pair, and you see we're starting to find around the bottom now. Hopefully we can keep the 5 cents mark. When I first done the video about a month ago for Beaxy, it was beginning of July, I'm explaining what Beaxy exchange was. The coin was then 11 cents a token. So yeah, it's half price from what it was a month ago. If we go out to the daily real quick, we'll go back to the BTC pair, because no one really buys in USD. Let's have a look. So you can see here it's trading in this little channel here. If we zoom in a bit, Bollinger Band's getting really tight now on a daily. It's coming a bit down. It's going between the Bollinger Band on here is the bottom 410 and 560, still at 40%. It's not doing that on the daily. You can see it's going down at the moment. I do think we're probably going to retest this 400, which is round about here, 430 mark. But you can see, for those of you who look at the volume wells, yeah, and the depth charts, there isn't really, the depth chart's a bit different here. It could go either way, to be honest. Obviously, there's a cell wall here, a bit of resistance, whether that gets removed. But it looks like somebody's just literally capitulating and basically buying up as many tokens in coins as they can at this 440 to 500 Satoshi level, which, if you've got the money, is well worth doing, because these coins are only 5 cents. If it goes to $10, it's a 200x on your money. $5, it's 100x. The Binance token at the moment is sat at $30, which would be a 600x. This is easily doable, guys. All it needs is some liquidity and volume in the market, and that's it. Obviously, they've only just started the marketing. You need someone like yourself to wear a Tesla Model 3. But yeah, easiest video. So we started the challenge on the 2nd. So this is day 7 and 8 now, because it's the 9th today. I'll do a video tomorrow. It is the weekend, and do try and spend some time with the family. But if the trade's there, then I'll do it, because this time next year will be a different story with the price of these Beaxy tokens. So yeah, we're sat now on 2,358. That is up from the 1,800 we initially had. So we're 558 tokens up in just over a week, which is fantastic, really. Obviously, you're forgetting about the value. You need to forget about the value of the coin. You need to forget about the monetary value of it and think long term. I'm doing this to build up my bag of Beaxy. Any additional funding or any additional money that I've got, I will be buying additional Beaxy as well, and I'll be locking it up to try and get a discount off my trading fees or PLS when it opens. But that's it. Quick video, quick update. We're on 2,358. I don't really want to put a trade in whilst I'm going bed here, because it's like 25 to 12 here. So I will sleep on it, see what happens in the markets tomorrow, and then we'll put another trade in and do another video. Yeah, but that's it, everybody. As usual, if you've enjoyed this video at all, learned something new, anything whatsoever, please hit the thumbs up, hit that like button. Also, comment below, let us know your thoughts, your trading strategies, where you guys have tuned in from. And finally, if you're new to the channel and you haven't already done so, please remember to hit that subscribe button and the notifications button next to it. That's the little bell button, which will notify you when we publish future videos. Yeah, but until next time, everybody, it's goodbye from me. Bye bye, guys.